How many people were represented? And you ask yourself, in that deep village, did we have a representation that can quantify? There was quantitative and qualitative participation. The exercise is not wrong, but the procedure is wrong. And that's what we are saying. Let's follow the procedure so that we reach to that end that you want to reach to. It will be justifiable if you say, let's wait for those court cases that this assembly has instituted against maybe the executive. And once these cases are done, then according to the determination of EACC, we can come and say, EACC has said this, we have authorities to support our motion. But until that is done, we may go all the way, but this can be challenged even in the court of law. I wish to call upon my brother, Elias Mutuma, to pick it from there as we proceed to defend our client.
Thank you, Mwenda.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. Mine will be on the substantive issues in this motion, but I'll not begin until we have a ruling on the two issues that have been raised by my seniors. So at this juncture, we seek directions on how to table the evidence that we have, and secondly, on how we will get the ruling on the issue of public participation and the sub judice rule.
Mutuma, just a minute. You know, when our brother Meru was talking, he stated very clearly, there is a difference between the honorable members and your team. He mentioned about the division that is there in the house, but himself, he can't go on that side. And any document that you want to table in this house, it must go through the House Business Committee for them to come on the floor of the House. And you can't do it when you are there. It must be done when you are in the plenary. So it's only another member who can bring a report in the House. The only thing that I can do to help at this juncture, Mutuma, is that we are going to make a reference to the answer systems because everything is being captured. So when you talk knowing that we shall only rely on the answer system. Thank you. You can proceed.
My understanding then, Mr. Speaker, sir, is that we will not be allowed to table the evidence that we have. Just for clarity purposes.
Mutuma, yes. How will you table it?
I just want you.
No, I'm asking you. Yes. I am asking you.
Yes.
Dancer normally said very clear. It's not me who said it. That there is a division that is there, and that's why you are sitting there. You cannot proceed on the other side. You didn't come through the main door. You came through this door. So now, Mutuma, how will you move to that where the miss is? And you are not an honorable member, you are not an MC, not unless you tell me an MC for Kirwanari. Then I'll agree on that.
And that's my word, Mr. Speaker. Kirwanari is my word.
Yes, but you are not the MC.
But the question I'm asking is that you invited the governor to appear before you, answer to certain allegations and counts. She has evidence in response to your allegations. My hope was that you would guide me on how that evidence is supposed to be produced and utilized by the House.
Mutuma,
I am a stranger in this House.
Mutuma,
so the rules should be able to guide me.
Mutuma,
yes.
Even the members, they cannot read a document when they are there and read that document. That is the procedure.
Mr. Speaker, sir, with all due respect, then I wish to be guided on how to provide.
We have said on Mutuma that we are going to rely on the answer system. So whatever presentation that you make, please ensure it is captured.
Most of them.
And that's why I asked Dancer normally, my good brother, how many hours do you want? He said 2.5 hours. That's the procedure. Please continue.
Thank you so much. May we then have the ruling on whether the matters are sub judice or not before we can proceed on the substantive issue.